Welcome back to another quick demo here, and as you can see, we have some iconic characters here on the screen. We have Ratchet and Clank. This time, going Commando. Alright. So before we dive right in, here we have our new game loading option screen. But before we dive right in, go ahead and consider giving this video a like, subscribe to support the channel, and hit that notification bell. It'll notify you of future content that are uploaded to the channel. Alright, let's go ahead and start a new game. So no Ratchet and Clank. Would you like to create? No. And continue without saving anyway? Of course.
Welcome back to Behind the Hero.
Right.
Tonight's heroes are the duo who recently restored peace and order to our galaxy, Ratchet and Clank. So, gentlemen, tell us about your latest incredible adventures.
Well, as you can imagine, we've been pretty busy. After Drek's defeat, there were parades, press conferences, fancy dress balls.
And the wiener roast at Al's.
Oh yeah, that. And then things started to slow down a bit. After that,
There was the grand opening at Groovy Lube.
Right. I think that was last week.
6 months ago.
We're still pretty busy, but in a more, domestic sense.
Yesterday, I flushed out my radiator core.
I guess no one needs a hero right now.
Miss Noodlebottom, I found our man. Welcome.
What the?
I'm Abercrombie Fizzwidget, founder of the Megacorp Company in the Bogon Galaxy.
Bogon?
I'm sorry to incapacitate you, but our entire galaxy is in a very precocious situation. I must humbly request your sustenance on a mission of dire urgitude, a mission of superfluous peril, a mission of unequivocal imperitude.
Did that make any sense?
So, you need me to go on a dangerous mission in another galaxy.
Indubitably! A few days ago, this top-secret biological experiment was stolen from our testing laboratory by this dupliferous criminal mastermind, and I need you to get the experiment back.
We'll do it!
We will?
Frank, I have precipitated your recalcitrance and have made special improvisations for you. We are prepared to give you a job as the head accountant for Megacorp, plus a penthouse suite in lovely Megapolis, and our state-of-the-art robotic masseuse.
Deal.
As for you, Ratchet, I'll need you in superlatory shape. While in transit to the Bogon Galaxy, you will undergo heavy training and conditioning, including martial arts, heavy weaponry, survival skills, stealth, macrame, ballroom dance, and origami. We've used bipolar vector regurgitation to track the thief's location to a flying base in Sector 7. Infiltrate the base and retrieve the experiment.
Sir, ready for launch. Ratchet reporting. I'm on final approach to coordinates 3-7 Alpha.
Good luck. I'm counting on you.
Affirmative. Beginning radio silence.
Now, was it me or was that like a bunch of jumps, like in time? Here we're just diving into the controls here. Alright, so X is to double jump, or X is to jump and then twice to double jump. But yeah, we were just jumping in time. To select weapons, hold triangle and select an icon with the left analog stick. So we gravity bomb and lancer.
Press circle to fire your lancer.
Alright, so circle to fire. Okay. That's right, and I remember in this game you collect basically those bolts and gears in one, I believe. Okay, so we just jump on that and he automatically grabs on. Okay, what else we got here? We have more ammunition. Ah, there we go. I was wondering if we have a melee attack, so it's square. Alright, That's all I need to know. Nice, and when we jump in, well, you know what's going on here? I think, well, even though we're learning how to play, it's also maybe assuming you play the first one, since if I'm not mistaken, this is the second game in the series. So yeah, I wasn't really much a Ratchet and Clank fan. I was basically more on the other, dare I say, spectrum with Jak and Daxter. Yeah, basically Naughty Dog. And then Ratchet and Clank is Insomniac. I always loved them breakables.
You're at
What is
full
that?
health, so you don't need the nanotech.
Okay, so nanotech. Alright, so they... Man, I think those were explosives. Yeah. Snap. Okay. Is there an aiming mechanism? So, R1 is to crouch. Okay. Alright, so I believe we're supposed to go on that platform. Okay, so we're gonna break balls. Alright, here we go. You ready? There we go. So we're still going up.
Try using the gravity bomb here. Hold.
Oof, I didn't get to... Yeah, okay, so you can't shuffle the weapons. Oh, we found it.
I see it's time to
It wasn't
update my
trash.
security forces.
Whoa, whoa, no, hey, no, look, I'm just here to fix the transflexor coil.
Nice try. Give my regards to Megacorp. Finish him.
Okay. Throw a little bit of humor in there. Oh, that's not good. Your basically henchmen left at you. Oof, I actually got hit. That was pretty quick. Or I'm just too good. That's smash. Alright. Over here. Oh, okay, so are we back where we passed through there? Alright, let's see what we're met with here with this cutscene.
Right, I'm in the market for some security.
You'll bring the cash, we'll bring the thrash.
Good. I need your best men to meet me at these coordinates.
Okay, that was pretty fast. Let's see here. I think that was good
You've
to take
acquired
that out.
nanotech. Your health has improved.
Get those, not sure what they do here. Probably learn along the way what those are for, those collectibles. We're just grabbing along here. Oh my goodness.
You can aim your Lancer more accurately by holding L1.
is happening? Oh, snap. What's going on here? So that was close. Guess our health is full right there. Oh, nice. Here we go. I'm pretty sure we're gonna use those bolts for upgrades or whatnot. It's probably the what's it called? What we use basically as new upgrade. Our currency, there we go. It took me a while there. So it's basically our currency. To reverse the camera controls, go to the options menu. Oh, because it's inverted. But you know what's interesting? The only time these the inverted basically controls bother me is during a shooting game, right? Like a first-person shooter. But during these platformers, I don't mind at all. I prefer it actually. That was weird. How are the robots and making that kind of noise? It's kind of weird.
Ratchet checking in, sir.
Incredulous. I didn't expect to hear from you again, so soon.
There was a slight problem. The thief escaped with the experiment, and I have no idea where he was headed.
Not to worry. I just received an emission which may lubricate the matter.
Do you have any maps for this quadrant of the galaxy?
You bet, mister! We got galactic maps, 3D maps, fold-outs, cutouts, maps to the stars, and their homes.
Sorry about that. I forgot my wallet. Could you, take care of this?
Perimeter defenses deactivated.
You forgot your change.
I'm on my way.
Poor guy. Alright, so I'm guessing we're going to the next level. I think. It's hard to tell. Also, we're to another planet here. So I assume that we are.
For a map, press select or R3.
So here's our map. Okay, cool. Alright. But, of course, this was just a demo, right? A demonstration of what to expect when we get into the video game. So, this is where we're going to stop. Now, I was never really a big Ratchet and Clank fan. I did know of it. I know, I knew it was popular growing up. I actually had a good friend of mine who I grew up with who loved Ratchet and Clank. And it's funny because he loved Ratchet and Clank and I loved Jock and Daxter, right? So it's pretty interesting how we grew up like that. And even though we grew up like that, I think just as for him, he never played Jack and Daxter, and I never played Ratchet and Clank while we were growing up. So it's not until now that I'm actually getting a quick taste of different games in the series. But anyways, I'm just rambling on right now. Alright y'all, thank you once again for joining me going through another quick demo. This time it was Ratchet and Clank going Commando. I believe it's the second game in the series. It was pretty good, and above all, it was pretty good. I enjoyed it. I love myself a good platformer, so I wasn't disappointed. Alright y'all, go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and hit that bell notification icon there to notify you for future content and future videos uploaded to the channel. Go ahead and comment below as well what you think. Did you actually love the game growing up? Have you even tried it at all? Are you just like me that until in your older years you're actually diving into it? Let me know. And of course, share the video, share the love. Alright y'all, thank you so much, take it easy, and as always, keep it vertical.